Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add customer reviews to your Shopify store. First, understand that reviews are crucial for building customer confidence and driving sales. They act as powerful social proof, influencing up to 93% of consumers. Implementing a review system can increase your conversion rates by several percentage points, making it a vital part of your e-commerce strategy. This guide will walk you through the simple steps. Choosing the right review app is your next key step. The Shopify App Store offers many options, such as Judge, Me, Lux, or Yotpo, each with unique features. Consider apps that allow photo and video reviews, offer queue and a functionality, and provide easy moderation tools. A good app should also integrate smoothly with your existing store theme, ensuring a consistent brand experience for your customers. Once you have selected an app, installation is straightforward. Simply click Add App in the Shopify App Store, then follow the prompts to grant necessary permissions. After installation, navigate to the app's dashboard to configure its settings. You can set up automated email requests for reviews, customize the display widgets, and choose where reviews appear, typically on product pages and potentially a dedicated reviews page. Effective review management is an ongoing process. Regularly moderate submitted reviews to ensure they are genuine and appropriate, responding to both positive and negative feedback professionally. Actively encourage new reviews by sending automated follow-up emails after purchases, perhaps offering a small discount for participation. Finally, leverage your best reviews by featuring them prominently on your website, in email newsletters, and across your social media channels to build further trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.